Okay, so in this video, I bought 4 packs from the DFW G.I. Joe show. Now it says $3, but because I bought every single pack they have, this is 4 of these, they turned into $2 each. So that's 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, no, it's been 3, 6, 9, 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8. That's $4 savings. The reason why I bought this is because I went to Investability Friday and bought this Batman portfolios, because I'm going to start collecting Batman cards and family related cards and putting in this binder portfolio thing. So first pack is this one. I'll be opening it up. 12 cards per pack. And this video actually might turn into a multiple part video, I'm not sure yet. I also have no idea what these packs are. I think they're from 2018 or something. From Panini Group. Yeah, 2018. Yeah. If I can see. Depth perception is messed up right now. This is how I have this video set up to record. Okay, yeah, let's start from the back. So MetaX, Intelligence, I know that one. The World's Finest. Intelligence. Isn't this the one with the 3 different Jokers or something like that, I think? Batgirl, Cassandra Cain. Research Joker, that seems familiar. The image that they used. Ooh. Nice. So this one is definitely being sleeved up. Set this off to the side. Dick Grayson. Batman. We have another Batman, which I know that one. This Joker mask. Harley Quinn. And final card is Hand to Hand. Okay, so I'm guessing that these packs have a pack trick to them. So I'm going to open up one pack off camera so I can run the pack trick for this. But first, before I do that, I need to go. I'm going to pause the video real quick. Okay, so these cards are going in the binder, basically. And then these cards are not going in the Batman binder. Even though this one has Bat on it, it has the other characters on it. You have Superman, Wonder Woman, Aquaman, Green Lantern, Hal Jordan, Cyborg, The Flash. So that's the reason why it's not going in the back. So this will go into my other Yu-Gi-Oh binders, but it will go in the back of my binder that contains the miscellaneous cards and stuff. So I'll be back with the next pack opening once I run the pack trick. Okay, so I just opened up the second bag. It seems like these cards, not every single card has one of those ones I pulled. So you have Harley Quinn, Batman, Deathstroke, Catwoman, Tactical, Mad Hatter, Jarvis Tex, Intelligence, Joker, another one, same one I got, Intelligence, James Gordon, DCPD Officer, Peel, and Special. So, real quick, I'm viewing the cards off camera, see which one's going into the pack. Binder, I mean. Not going in. So these are cards that are all going in binder. Now, I should say that, basically, if you make it this far into the video, let me know down in the comments what card that's not going in the binder you may see put in the binder. And you can write whatever you want to try to convince me to put in the binder. So these are the cards that are not going in the binder, even though this one could go in the binder, and this one could go in the binder, and maybe this one. I doubt it. Okay, so next pack. Now, these cards might have a pack trick, but they might not. These packs might have a pack trick, might not. Because if some do, some don't, I'm going to have to count from the back, basically, of the pack trick. If there is even a pack trick for this one. I should have looked it up before doing this video, but thought never actually occurred to me to do it. Oops. I was wondering why they were upside down. Okay, so there's no pack trick for this one. So I'm going to be back with which one's going in the binder, which ones are not going in the binder. So I'm going to start with the cards not going in the binder. These, even though this one and this one could go into the binder. And these are the cards that are all going in the binder. Red Hood, another Red Hood card, Bat Signal card, Terry McGinnis, Batman of the Future, which I've actually read some of the comic books of this one. Not all of them though. Binder, 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 and Binder. And also, I'm not sure in what order these cards are going into, besides the one I pulled that was shiny. That's the one that's going to the right front of the binder. First page, first pocket. Also, so I'm in the last pack, so that shiny card I pulled, I'm actually going to look it up before I end this video. And since I am recording with this phone, I have two phones now. Oh shit. I pulled it out, but see if I can. Nope, I cannot. I figured this would happen when I started talking. So I don't like talking because it messes up the packs. Distraction. Every other one was cleanly open, this one was not. So I'm going to look up the card once I get a chance to. And see what it's worth, if anything. Since I have to. So, strengths, Holly Bork, intelligence, Batgirl, tracking, poison ivy, strengths. Oh, another one. Okay. Wait, is it every 2 packs or something? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see if I can. Wait, how far is it from the back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So that would mean I put it like this, and flip it like that. So, frustration, superior intelligence, that's my family favors much. Mr. Zaz, strength, special, strength, poison ivy, tracking, intelligence, hardboiled, strength, and heroic charge. Looking this up now. Okay, so I looked up one of the cards, this heroic charge one. And according to this, according to TCG Player, it's $6.99 for the foil. So I guess I pulled a good card. Now for the other one. Okay, so I looked up the card. This one. And there was no information about all it is. It's the according to TCG Player, as you see here. Now, I don't know why my phone looks I mean, it might not be on camera or whatever, but it looks like my phone is dark, even though it's not. It's 25 cents, but it doesn't tell anything about foil, so I'm gonna still look that up. My phone is bright, yet on the recording for me it looks dark. Don't know why that is. It's weird. So I'm gonna look on eBay next. Okay, so I upped my screen brightness, maybe that changed it. Nope, it did not, still looks dark. But I cannot find anything for this card on TCG Player or eBay. There's probably other places I can look up. Those are the two that come to mind. So based off these prices, I'm guessing the one I just pulled is between, let's say, $6 and $20, I guess. That's just a guess. So I opened up packs. I got some good cards. Okay, and now I need to sort them out through the binder. So, shit. Not sure if you heard that some of the cards came flying out my hands. So, that's actually going to be the end of this video. So, next video is, I have no idea. No idea what's next. Could be another pack opening, anything. So, until next time, goodbye for now, everyone.